So here it is, finished pretty much in all its glory. Here's my exhaust. It's probably going to be hard to see, but it was a pain, but it turned out pretty good. I kept it up so it doesn't hang down or anything. But there's not much room to work under there, so but here it is. Here's my intake. And there's the downpipe I made. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. I have a pretty long flex line down there. And I don't know if you can really see much. Got lots of rubber hangers on it. And so I guess that's pretty much it. I'll fire it up and then take it out for a little here. There's my boost gauge, pyrometer. And I brought the GPS along to just see the speed because my speedometer's off by quite a bit. There's my wait to start glow plug light. And here's my shut-off valve that I made. So right now it's in the off position, so to start it, you just flip it to run. Turn the key. Light goes out. Got my diesel fuel only sticker. In case my dad borrows it, he'll probably put gas in it by accident. There's my oil cooler. So, we'll go for a ride. Well, that's it. it works, seems to run pretty good. It's still a little sluggish in the bottom end, but I'll see if I can tweak it a little bit, but it seems to be running pretty good. It's got about 20 pounds of oil pressure at an idle. And it goes up pretty good. At a cruising speed, it seems to be around 50 pounds. So, yeah, so I'll show you the shutoff, how it works. So if we just turn this valve, it gives it vacuum and shuts right off. And then if you want to restart it, put it back to run. Probably don't need to hit the glow plugs again, but starts right back up. I haven't had any trouble with it not starting after using the shutdown, but I guess that's all.